Hello everyone. So how's everyone doing? Let's see what the cards are up for today. Okay, so now okay. Oh, that's a beautiful card. Can you see this? I just love this cards. It's a beautiful card. It talks that you're going to be happy and everything is going to be simple, smooth and rocking today. I love these two beautiful ones. Though they look little scary, but I feel that they are protecting you from anything that is harming you. That's what I feel. But overall, a simple day, a beautiful day where you will enjoy your day. You will be happy that your day is going as you planned. You will be happy that things are happening in your favor, because here mainly I see a lot of yellow. And yes, I want to suggest here one thing. If possible, if you're seeing this video beginning of the day, then wear something yellow today, or at least carry a yellow kerchief with you today. That's what I feel when I'm telling you this. And also, if possible today, donate some food to a needy, so that they bless you in turn. Any needy or a stray animal, whatever you feel guided to, just donate something today. Now let's see what this beautiful card is saying. Okay, so maybe you have been dreaming, you've been planning something, you've been wanting to do something related to finances, is what I feel here. Work and finances, because I feel the green here. So maybe related to work and finances is what something that is planning. You can do one thing. You can start making a practical plan. And within the upcoming full moon, if you plan it, and then if you start on the full moon, this is what I feel. If you start on the upcoming full moon, then things will work in your favor and you will feel that things are going good, and you are able to do what you wanted to do for a long time, and business wise or career wise, there's a success which is coming your way when I see this card. Let's see for love. Okay, so now maybe your partner wants you to spend time with him or her. Your partner feels you have been too much away from them. So that is why it comes, you look deep into my eyes. Basically, your partner wants you to spend time. So today, if possible in the evening, take some time off. Spend some time with your partner. If you are not married and if you're not in love, then this means that maybe your parents, your family members are thinking you're not spending time with them and you're not giving them the time. So give them some time, so that they will be happy that you are giving them the time, and they will also enjoy your company. Now coming to the blessing card. I hope you all are liking the readings like this. So think you are shielded, you are safeguarded, your angels are safeguarding you here somewhere. I don't know. I feel most of you here who are seeing my video follow Hanumanji. I don't know why I am feeling like that. Maybe I am wrong. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. So Hanumanji is saying, I am there to protect you. I am always guarding you. And I also feel Archangel Michael here. So Hanuman and Archangel Michael are coming to me. So if you are a ardent Hanuman Bhakt, and so I'm sure you must be hearing the Hanuman Chalisa also. As a simple thing, I would say, if you can offer some butter to a needy, to someone who needs it. It can also be your maid, it can also be people who are working under you. Offer them some butter, maybe a quarter kilo of butter or 100 grams of butter, that they use it in their cooking and they bless you in turn. So I hope you all are resonating with these readings and you're liking these. As I said, I'm bringing the giveaway very soon. So keep liking the videos, leave your comments, and the top or the best 3 or the lucky 3 will get a 15-minute reading as a gift, or as a, I would not say gift, I would say as a gratitude or a token of thankful gesture that you all have been always encouraging me and being with me in this journey of my life. Thank you.